Now I'm just sectioning out the hair into 4 different portions because we're going to be doing like a ponytail kind of Ghana feed-in cornrow. So yeah, just section it out into 4 different portions. I'm going to start from the left, the front side, the left. So I'm putting the rest of the portions into like big sizes box braid so that they won't be getting in the way while I'm trying to, you know, style the left side. Okay, for this hairstyle you need to really know how to Ghana braid or feed in cornrow, and I do have a video on that. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below just in case you are interested, so that you can go and learn how to feed in cornrow or Ghana braiding. For the first portion, I'm kind of curving it because it is side parting hairstyle. So now I'm starting the Ghana braiding or the feeding cornrow with the color 1, which is the black, and for the extension I'm only taking as a little as possible for the front side, and the black color I'm only taking about 3 to 4 pieces just in front first before I start adding up the colored extension. After adding the 3 to 4 pieces of the extension, for the 5th piece I'm just going to take the color 39, which is a colored extension, and adding it to the cornrow, but I'm not taking the same quantity as the black color, so I'm taking a little bit bigger quantity just so that the style can come out very well. And to attach the extension, I'm only cornrolling one side or adding up one side of the added extension. So we just add up one side, which is the left side. We just add it up and then release the right side of the extension, like so. This hairstyle in 2 different colors, color 1 and color 39 from Expression. It's Expression product, but this is optional. You can decide to use just one color, but I do want the hairstyle, or yeah, we want the hairstyle to kind of look colorful, so that's why we decided to use 2 different colors. For the length of the hair, we use scissors to cut the hair into 3, so we call it cut 3. So we just use scissors, cut the hair into 3, and then pick or feathered out the extension.
Say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line.
After adding a certain amount of color extension or colored extension, we just still go ahead to add up about 2 to 3, 4 pieces of the black extension, just so that the hair can look a little bit colorful. Once I'm done adding all the pieces of the extension, so for the ending part of the cornrow, I'm just going to start taking the extension from the top part. We start dragging it down to the ending part of the cornrow to form this look. I'm taking about either 1 piece or 2 pieces or 3 pieces, just depending on how fast you want to be. If you add it up correctly, if you drag the other ends correctly and add it up to the ending part, you will get this result. So I would advise you to just watch the video carefully, and how you do the left side is not going to be how you're going to do the right side, so just watch the video. So I'm going to repeat this step about 3 to 4 more times, so that you guys will get to understand it very well. Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for always clicking in anytime I upload a new video. Hope we're all good today, we're staying safe and we're healthy today. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button, just the button below. You see a red button, subscribe, just click on it to join the family, so that you don't get to miss it anytime I upload a new video here on this channel. give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to share the video to friends and family. I'd like to see what you think in the comment section below. Just leave a comment in the comment section below so that I will know what you think about this particular hairstyle. Today's video is on fishtail Ghana weaving or feeding cornrow. So I don't know what you guys call it in your country or where you stay, so just leave a comment in the comment section below so that we'll all know what you call it in your country or wherever you stay. But here in Abuja we call it fishtail. Abuja, Nigeria, we call it fishtail Ghana weaving or feeding cornrow. Like I said before, doing this on the left side is different from how you do it on the right side. Hope you get. We'll advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step, because this hairstyle is a little bit tricky. So yeah, we'll just advise you to watch the video. How you do the left is different from how you do the right, and how you do the right is different from how you do the left or how you do the back. So yeah, just continue watching.
'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you. You are. And the only thing that's better is you and me together for real.
Okay, for a better clarification, when you add all the piece, you get to see like extension that falls on the left hand side and the extension that falls on the right hand side. So now that I'm making, or I'm conrolling the left hand side, I'm actually adding up only the left extension, or the extension that falls on the left hand side. So the extension that falls on the right hand side, I'm not going to be attaching that. So I'm just going to release it and then attach it later on when I'm done attaching all the pieces of extension I do want to attach. So we'll just start dragging all the extensions. I'm starting from the front side. We'll start dragging them from the front side just so that it will give this look. So this look is called fishtail Ghana weaving or fishtail feeding cornrow.
I won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you. You are. And the only thing that's better is you and me together for real.
over to the right hand side, I'm only going to be adding, since I'm on the right hand side, I'm only going to be adding the hair that falls, or the extension that falls on the right hand side. So we just add it up, and then until when I'm done adding all the extensions I want to add. So like I told you guys before, I'm using two different colors. I started off by adding black extension in small pieces or tiny pieces. So I am adding those ones up in the normal Ghana weaving or feed-in cornrow way. So when I want to start adding the extension that is colored, I'm just going to add up the extension that falls on the right hand side and then release the one that falls on the left hand side. So when I'm done adding all the pieces of extension I do want to add, to complete the look, I'm just going to be dragging the extensions that falls on the right hand side from the beginning without start dragging it down to the ending part of the cornrow to form this look, which is called Ghana weaving fishtail. You get what I mean, but the only way you understand it better is for you to carefully watch the video so that you get a better clarification. Do me a favor by sharing this video to friends, family, relatives, and even your enemies. Just share this video so that everyone can watch, especially those that need to watch to learn. So just share it to them so that they can watch and learn. Thank you for doing that. So do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Like, click on the like button to just like the video or give the video a thumbs up.
I won't say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. The second that you go, I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you. You are. And the only thing that's better is you and me together for real.
Once I'm done rolling all the hair, I'm using needle and thread to just join the tips together like so. That I'm now putting the tips in hot water so that it can lessen the weight of the extension, and also I'm going to use towel to dip inside the hot water to relieve the pains in front of her head. Final touches, I'm applying styling molds, and after that we go ahead to apply or spray gel on the hair. Thank you so much for watching the video. Here's the final look. Hope you were able to learn something new, one or two things from this video. Please give the video a big thumbs up, click on the like button to like the video, share the video to friends, family, relatives, your enemies, everyone that you know that will be needing this video. Subscribe if you are new here. Just go ahead to click on the subscribe button to join the family. So leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think about the hairstyle. We'll talk to you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.